Hello everyone and welcome back to ePhones. I'm Harry and today I'm diving into the ZTE MF920N, a pocket-sized powerhouse in the world of mobile hotspots. So let's do an unboxing and see what it has to offer on first impressions, because first impressions in all walks of life are very important, no less with devices. As you can see right here, very sleek, simplistic design in white, very thin in fact. However, I think it's like no frills, straightforward design here, but also a device which is going to give you that reliability that you want. And I'll tell you why right now, why it's going to be so reliable with our device overview. So this is the device. Let me show you just the ins and outs of it straight away. You can see on the top of the screen, there are 4 LED indicators and they just monitor the basics. The one at the top, that will monitor the battery health of the device. One below there, that is for Wi-Fi status. The third one is for unread text message alerts. And the fourth, that will monitor the mobile reception strength. Showing you this right here at the bottom of the device, this is the power button. The one in the middle, this one is superb. This is a WPS button. If you hold this down, you don't have to type in long Wi-Fi passwords to connect this to your device. Just hold down the WPS button and you'll get a quick and hassle-free connection straight away. Also, this is an important part. This is the SIM card holder. As I open it right now, you can see that this device uses a micro SIM. There's a handy diagram inside the cover that will show you exactly what you need to do in terms of inserting it. However, as well as that, you can also see that there is a small hole there. Now this is the reset button. So for those rare occasions where you'd need to restore this to factory settings, a pin is provided in the box. You just hold down and tap the reset button there. So let's talk speed. The MF920N has download speeds of up to 150 megabits per second, lightning fast and 4G. So very quick, ensuring smooth browsing and connectivity. Alongside that, it also has upload speeds of 50 megabits per second, which is also fast, but obviously in the real world, certain elements can come into play, such as network and infrastructure and environmental reasons. However, this is very secure and reliable in regards to speed. And in regards to compatibility, this one plays brilliantly in regards to Windows, Macs and Linux, so it's totally versatile and will work with the vast majority of devices out there in the market. So in terms of battery life, this can go up to 8 hours on a full charge, although after heavy usage that can fluctuate a bit and go down. Alongside that as well, this comes with a battery which isn't necessarily easy to replace, so you're suggested to stick with the default one. However, 2000 miles is perfectly fine, and like I say, on the full charge should enable you to have this reliably throughout the full day of work or whatever project you're taking on that day. And another fantastic part of the MF920N's features is that it's unlocked. You're not going to be held down by any data restrictions because you can pop whatever SIM card you please into this device, meaning that it's compatible and usable within a complete litany of different countries. So that is a fantastic feature as well. In regards to connectivity and usage, obviously connectivity is key. This ticks all the boxes. This can connect to up to 32 separate devices, meaning that the MF920N is extremely useful and compatible in regards to work projects, saying you're taking your whole team out on the go. You need that connectivity with separate devices. This will do up to 32. Alongside that as well, if you require a wide connection, all you have to do, you can use this as a USB modem by using USB cable and connecting it to your laptop. One other good feature that I personally like about the MF920N is its portability. As you can see quite clearly now, look how small it is. In fact, it is smaller than your typical smartphone. So as we're saying, on the go, perfect. This will fit in any bag. It will even fit in your pocket, wherever you want to put it securely or just in your jeans. This has the right size, especially with its sleek design. You can take this on the go. Practicality for this, absolutely no issues with that. So let's get you connected. All you got to do to connect is flip the device over, and once you flip it over, you can find your Wi-Fi SSID and password. If you ever need to tweak your settings or change your Wi-Fi details, you can simply access the device menu via the IP address. Right there, as you can see here, is 192.168.0.1, and you type that in alongside the passwords, which you can see is all lowercase. Admin, just log in with those default credentials and you'll be good to go. And there we have it, the ZTE MF920N, a fantastic mobile hotspot device, in my opinion, one of the best on the market, and I hope I've given you a good run through from it. For more tech reviews and videos just like this, make sure to subscribe to the ePhones YouTube channel. But until then, I'm signing off, take care, and we'll see you later.